くれてありがとうございます。Hi, welcome back.
Thanks. I'm not fully back. I'm waiting on something to heat up.
You're waiting on something?
To heat up.
What are you heating up? Please inform the audience what you're heating up.
Suddenly this doesn't feel like a safe space.
Let me know what you're heating up.
Suddenly I'm...
You better be using a stove.
いや、恥ずかしい。
恥ずかしいなんだ。大丈夫です。言ってもいいです。教えて。興味あるわ。
いや、今、ちょっと。はい、電子レンジコーヒ
ー。なるほど。
そうだよね。そう。
Alright, in that case, maybe you should take over the centerpiece and I'll BRB also.
Okay.
またね。Thank you.
お、ドリップコーヒー飲んでる。あ、ドリップコーヒーもいいよだよね。電子レンジコーヒー、時々飲みますだよね。で、I like drip coffee more. So I think that's not right. I like drip coffee more than microwave coffee. うん。電子レンジコーヒーはいいですけど、ドリップコーヒーは本当に美味しいよだよね。うん。でも、you know、電子レンジコーヒーは悪くないわだよね。フリオ君怒るよ。いや。もっと勉強したい。一緒に。
偉いね。
はい。へえ。しょん。
ただいま。I'm back.
おかえり。Welcome back.
Yeah, sorry for taking too long. It's getting hot, so I switched to a shorter sleeve.
Oh yeah, I was just mentioning how I'm in the wind tunnel right now. I don't know if you could hear because it's got so hot in my room.
Yeah. Let me see if I can. There you go. That's better.
Oh, you know what? Yeah, I should do that too. Hold on.
It's getting warm in here after Crisis City.
Yeah, right? Yeah. And also, it's quite rude of me to wear my hat in polite company, right? So let's...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Getting comfy.
Yeah. Oh, I say all this. Actually, I do need to also get up and grab something really quick. I said something that you're going to maybe be proud of or also maybe scold me for. But I was saying, I think... How did I say the sentence? I want to know if... I think I said... 電子レンジコーヒーよりドリップコーヒーが好き。
ああ、嬉しいです。
そう
じゃあ許すね。I'm gonna forgive you.
はあ、よかった。I'm glad. That said, I need to go get my 電子レンジ coffee. BRB.
Okay. What do I do with this guy? I took him to like the fancy drip coffee places and he enjoyed them, but he won't let go of his microwave. The grip it has on him. I need to get him a very convenient way of brewing good coffee. Maybe like those Japanese drip bags. Those would be nice because you can just do it real quick. Yeah, AeroPress would be good. French press, I think French press would take too long for him. Take his microwave away from him instead.
Wah. Okay, I'm good.
Good.
I'm no longer in the wind tunnel. I have some coffee. I'm recharged.